Okay guys, we received the Mercedes. As you can see, it's in matte black. Someone else has done a paint job and it's absolutely crap. You can see all the marks and everything. So we're gonna plastic this car. We're gonna be using the Galaxy Colorshift. It's absolutely amazing. When the customer sees this car back, it's gonna be completely shocked. We're gonna paint the wheels in gloss black, the roof and the spoiler also in gloss black. And we're gonna redo all the tints because someone else done it and it's all peeling off. So that's pretty much. Remember this car, have a look at now and have a look in there. It's gonna be completely different. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Ready for Plasti, for finishing masking. We got one of my staff, Peter. Unfortunately, he cannot speak English, but you can see he wants to explain the procedure. Come on, Peter, speak to the public.
Okay.
Say something. Yeah. Unfortunately, he can't speak, so but don't underestimate him. It's perfect on panel beating. So that's pretty much. So we're gonna finish masking. We're gonna start plastic dipping. I'm gonna drop the black plastic dip first. Then I'm gonna drop the Galaxy Colorshift. I can't wait to finish. It'll look amazing and completely different car. So I hope you guys enjoy, keep watching it. The car is finally done in Galaxy Colorshift. As you can see, it looks amazing, completely different car. When the customer sees, it's going to be completely shocked. So I'm pretty happy with this. It looks amazing, especially when the sun hits. We've done the roof in gloss black, we've painted the alloys in gloss black, the spoiler in gloss black, and it just looks a completely different car. We've also done the tints, so to make it look better. So that's pretty much done. I'll show you around and I hope you guys enjoy it.